Hey, it's Joanna, the owner and creator of Joanna's DIY Life, and I am so glad you are here. I am sorry I've been MIA. I'll try to explain it a little bit later, but for now, I am hosting the Thrifted Thursday with my good friend Sabrina at Sabrina's Craft Nanigans. She will be listed down below, so make sure you check out her channel. She's hilarious. And check out the people in the playlist, okay? Give them some love, like their videos, so let's get started. So I'm going to be thrifting some things I got from my sister. I guess she paid $2 for this at a yard sale. I don't know, but the bird is like half dead. It looks terrible. But it's really dusty, so I'm going to dust it off, and the ends broke off of every one. So I'm going to take these popsicle sticks, or tongue gagging sticks is what I call them. Tongue depressors. I don't know what they are. But I got these from my sister as well. And I'm just going to measure them out and cut them down. And I'm going to have to cut 4 of them. So I use 2 sticks. And I'm just using scissors to cut them. Easy peasy, no big deal. And then I'm going to use some Gorilla Wood glue after I sand it. It's shiny. See it? Shiny. It's got some varnish or shellac or something on it. So I sand it all down. And, or at least the top anyways. And I'm going to take some, I didn't use Type Bond. I used Gorilla Wood glue. And I'm going to put a line of Gorilla Glue, and then I'm going to use hot glue on the sides for a permanent and a right now hold, so I can keep working. But anyway, if you're watching, and you're my faithful subscribers, you're the ones that usually watch me, my sister had cancer, and she passed away before Thanksgiving, and I was there helping take care of her and administering her medicines and stuff. And I'm just going to say this. Hospice should be ashamed for making the family have to administer the medicines like they do. Because the torment that comes with it afterwards is hauntingly ridiculous. But anyway, so she passed, and I have been helping cleaning out her apartment and going through stuff and stuff like that. So, that's where I've been. I'm not done yet, or we're not done yet. So I just had to do this collab because I'm the collaborator, with Sabrina. So, anyway, that's where I've been. That's what's going on. And I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate you sticking with me, through this whole thing. You are my ride or die subbies, and I love each and every one of you. I truly do. Okay, back to this. So you saw me put the Snow Tech. I'm using Snow Tech. Make sure you stir this stuff up real good. And these are winter DIYs. They're not necessarily for Christmas, but you can leave them out for winter. And I painted it with chalk paint because it was different colors, and I added the popsicle stick thingy, and it needed to be painted because it didn't match. So then I had too much, and I pulled it off. But anyway, your finger does better for the Snow Tech, okay? But I'm just going to take this brush, and I'm going to pile it on there, and I'm going to drag it across the edges, and that will pull that Snow Tech off of the brush and put it on my roof. And I'm going to snow this baby up. I put it on the sides. I put it on the front porch there. And I got a new bird. This came from my sister's stuff as well. My sister was 72 years old. She just turned 72 in September. And she was a crafter. So she was a hoarder crafter. And we got her stuff, me and some family members. And so, yeah. So it has been a job cleaning out my sister's apartment and stuff. So, but anyway, I got some stuff. So I'm going to take this moss and put it in the bird nest, or the bird hole, just because it was bare. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the stick down there, and that's going to help hold my bird on. Or at least my brain says it'll help hold my bird on. And I'm just going to glue my bird down with hot glue. And then And then, oh, there it is. Okay. So now I just went and dug in my big old box of florals, and I found these two that I really like, but they have, I think these came from Walmart. I don't know. A lot of my florals are from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I don't particularly like the Dollar Tree ones, and I haven't even been to Dollar Tree because when I go to Dollar Tree, I buy stupid stuff that doesn't mean a thing to me, and I'm trying to get through my stash and be done with it. I don't know. But anyways, there's some fluffy stuff. I don't know what it is. I don't know what you call it. It is snow. It's powdery like stuff, and that's what's on those other ones. And I'm gonna try to not use that glue right there because that was sticky. But I'm gonna get some Weld Bond, I think, and put it in a little Weld Bond, and I'm gonna put it in a little container thingy that I got. Look, ugh. Anyway, and I'm going to use a brush, and I'm going to brush it on the pine cones. Now, I don't want it all over the greenery, but I'm just going to dust my pine cones. So I'm going to put glue on the pine cones, and then I'm going to take that. It's almost like a powder type deal. I don't know. It's messy. I know that. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. I don't have much of it, so I'm trying not to waste it because I like it. And get those to match. And I'm going to do this one as well. So I'm going to do all my pine cones with this white powder. Okay, so now I am just going to take the florals after they've dried, or at least I hope they are, and I'm just going to put them in there. I bent the stems, and I'm just going to arrange them in there. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a florist. I just, I know what I like. And, yeah, I'm just putting them in there and spreading them around. I was going to put the little one in there, but I really didn't need it. So I've got some little extras that I've pulled off here and there and yonder, and I'm just going to stick them in to fill in any gaps. But before I do that, I'm going to put these two in, one on one side and one on the other. And I was going to put poinsettias in here, but that's more for Christmas, and this is like winter. So I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to build it up in the middle, and I'm going to put the big pine cone in the middle, and then I'm going to put my greenery around and fill in the edges. And then you'll see in the final reveal, I got a little thing of sticks. Now I know I got that at Hobby Lobby, and it's got pine cones on it. And I stick some of those sticks in there just to give it something wispy to go in there. So yeah, I'll show you this in the final reveal. So this next one is also gifted from my sister, or not gifted. She might not have had a choice. She might have gave me this before she passed. She was going through her stuff and giving me a lot of stuff. Either way, it come from my sister, okay? And the glass was broke. So, yeah. Now, Chris at Home with Chris, and she'll be in this playlist. Y'all make sure you check her out. She done something like this, but I saw this on Pinterest before that, because I'm on Pinterest constantly, and then she did one, and I was like, oh no. And I said, you know what? We craft alike anyway, most of the time, so I'm just going to do my own rendition of this. Now, make sure you watch Chris. It won't be this video, but the last one she posted, I think it was. And I was like, well, so anyway, I'm going to take my gag sticks and I'm going to cut them down. And I was like, why didn't I use this? I wasn't thinking. But anyway, I'm going to make sure that I have enough to go on here. And I do. 4 of them will make it. And I got to push them in the middle. But anywho, I cut them down to fit down inside my frame. Now I'm going to take my wood glue, or I'm going to try to. It won't come out. I don't know what's wrong with this stuff. I don't know if it's getting thick on me because I don't craft enough or what. But I went to put them in and I was like, there ain't no glue there, goofy. So I'm putting glue in. If it smooshes out, we'll take care of it, okay? But I'm just going to put my sticks in. Now, when I put my sticks in, I can't go all the way to the edge because then we'll leave gap holes in my sticks. And I didn't want gaps in my sticks. So I'm going to push them towards the middle and straighten them up. Okay? And then to hold them really tight, I'm going to put glue all over this backing. And I'm going to pop my backing back in and put those tabs down. Okay, here's where I take the pokey tool, okay, and I'm going to scrape around there and get up any excess glue. Make sure everything is secure. And then I am going to take, I don't want to use wax, which I could have used wax because I ended up fixing my tree down. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm going to take this stain that I made up. It's just burnt umber and a little bit of black, mainly burnt umber. And I'm going to stain the inside of my thing. I was going to stain the outside, but that's plastic, y'all. It's like a plastic vinyl thing. So that was a no-go, but I'll fix that later too. But I'm going to stain the inside here. And then you see those 4 wood things. I stained those. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And these are just wood cutouts I cut out on my laser a while back. And they're corner pieces. And I'm going to put those up in the corners. Now, the picture I saw had lace in it. I didn't want mine. I started to do this shabby chic, but I was like, nah, I want to go rustic country. So that's kind of like what I'm doing here. So I just stained those and lightened them up a little bit, and I'm going to put them down in the corners. And then I'll take a brush and clean up my glue. All you need is a stiff brush and rub it around, and it'll clean up any excess glue you have, sitting out and about. So got those all stuck down, and now I'm going to take, in a minute, when I get done, it was coming, I could feel it moving. So I'm going to take hot glue, and I'm going to go all the way around this and just put a bead of hot glue and secure this down because I felt like it was coming out the back. Those little prongs back there, this was a Dollar Tree frame that my sister had, and those little prongs aren't very sturdy, so I just glued it to make sure it wasn't going to fall out when I was doing my project, okay? So I'm letting that dry, and this came from Walmart. Y'all can't see it because it's blurry, but it came from Walmart, okay? Just trust me. And I'm going to take one of these, and it was kind of bare. Pulled the pine cone off because I don't want those big old pine cones on there. And I am going to take another one, and I was going to put them together because you see that hole in there. I kind of like it a little sparse, but then I don't. So I was going to put 2 together, and that was too bushy. Y'all see me playing with it, too bushy, but I end up fixing it. But either way, I'm going to take the one that I liked, which I don't remember which one I liked. There's nubbies on here, so I'm going to cut them off. Y'all let me skip all this stuff, okay? Alright, so I got the one I wanted. And I'm going to take a line of hot glue and put a line of hot glue down the back of it. But I do not trust the hot glue to hold this plastic or rubbery type tree. So I put a staple in it. We're going to cover that up, okay? Because I put it right in the middle where it's a little bit bare. And we're going to cover that up. Well, my staples come through the other side, of course. It's just a little thin piece of cardboard. So I'm going to take my pliers and bend those in so that it doesn't cut anybody. Okay. And then I'm going to take 2 little pieces and I'm going to glue them right in the middle. Okay. And that's going to cover up my staple that I got going on right there. I just used a staple, like I said, because I didn't trust just hot glue. All right. I could have used tacky glue maybe. I don't know. But anyway, that's just prettier anyways, isn't it? I think so too. Thank you. So anyway, now that I got that done, I've got these from Hobby Lobby. They come in a bag. And I think their Christmas is like a whole lot off right now. I can't remember what it was. I can't remember. Hold on, I'll tell you. Okay, so the remaining Christmas that is there, according to my app, is 60% off. But anyways, I just glued those random little pine cones all over my tree, okay? And then I put some snow tech on it. And now I put the corners on the outsides too because the frame was so bare to me, I couldn't stand it. So I took Titebond to glue the corners on, and this is Waverly wax. It will actually stick to this, okay? And I'll end up when it gets warmer. I'm not going to sell these right away on Whatnot. I'll probably sell them next year if I'm still around. And I will spray this with a sealer and seal that wax in if it's not if it's still coming off, because like I said, that's plasticky, but there it is. I put a little snow at the bottom, added a little jute bow. I distressed it real good around the edges, and I love it. There is my final reveal. Ain't they just pretty? I love that thing right there. I seen it and I was like, I told my niece, I said, can I get that? And she's like, yeah. I was like, I know what I'm going to do with it. So yeah, there it is. It looks so much better than it was. It's not so plain. And then there's my little tree, my pine tree, and it's got snow all over it. There's my jute bow. It's so pretty. It is so pretty and so rustic. Y'all, make sure that you check out my good friend Sabrina's channel and check out the entire playlist down below. There might not be that many because I don't have a lot that, participate in this as of yet. We're growing, but make sure you check everybody out, show them some love, and I will catch you next time. Goodbye.